If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. It is observed that successful people get ahead in the time that other people waste. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. If you had asked people what they wanted, they would have said a faster horse. Obstacles are those frightful things that you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Vision without execution is just hallucination. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. There is only one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. There is no man living that cannot do more than he thinks he can.